These are my top 3 tweets of the week for week 6. The first one is a quote from Teacher Goals that says, "Don't get so caught up in making students future ready that they don't have value today." It says it's not just about changing the world, it's also about contributing positively to the one that currently exists. So you don't want to prepare your students for tomorrow and make them forget about how important that today is. True, it's important we prepare them for the future, but the present is important as well. It's important to show them that it's important. The second tweet also comes from Teacher Goals. It's a quote by Hank Rubin that says, "Children learn best not merely by doing, but by doing with others." And I chose this tweet because it talks about the importance of getting students to collaborate and work together. I believe that a lot of students that work best when they're with someone. They learn from their peers, and they collaborate ideas. They don't just get to know. There's not just doing it just to talk. But they get to do it so they can have ideas, and I believe it's important no matter the age group. Then the third tweet. Before I mention my third tweet, I'd like to reference. It goes to Megan's tweet from last week that said, when we give kids grades, the learning stops, but when we give them specific feedback, the learning goes deeper. And this one says that research shows that feedback has a large impact on learning. Grades do not. I chose this because when we give students grades, it just makes them feel, like, oh, I didn't do so well with a bad grade, or just lets them know how they did. But when we tell them this is why you made that grade, it makes them understand why they got it, and that what they need to do to change if they got a bad grade, or what they need to do to keep doing if they had a good grade. And these are my top 3 tweets.